India's evacuation operations in Yemen are now over, with more than 5,600 people being rescued from the war-torn country. These include over 4,640 Indian nationals and about 960 foreign nationals from 41 countries. The youngest Indian evacuated from Yemen, 6-day-old Parvati, is now back home safely in Kochi. The newborn and her parents were rescued from the Yemeni capital Sana'a and flown to Djibouti by an Air India plane. Baby Parvati, who's been diagnosed with jaundice, was stabilized in an incubator in a hospital in Djibouti. A civilian doctor, Dr. Uma Nambiar, tended to her on the plane back home. The Indian Air Force is closely monitoring her condition.
Dr. Uma, if you could just tell us how exactly you have accompanied the child from there. Very kind and gracious of you, but how is the child right now?
Child is quite stable now. Because the child is so young and he was only 4 or 5 days old when the baby came, and all this journey and all that, where the baby had respiratory arrest when the baby landed at Djibouti, was not breathing. So we had to therefore stop the baby in Djibouti and stabilize. So fortunately the baby could be revived well, and baby has done well through the night and has withstood the journey very well. So baby is jaundiced. That's because of prematurity that happens. The baby is jaundiced. Jaundice is also coming down. We brought the baby on the incubator so that we can give continuous phototherapy and oxygen and IV fluid so that the baby remains stable and can withstand this journey. So now fortunately the baby is stable, and let's hope that will continue to do well.
Dr. Uma, we also know that you've been helping the Indian consulate all through with the evacuations that have been happening.
We are many of us who are in Djibouti. We would like to help. So, I mean, this is something which is a once in a lifetime, can happen to any of us anywhere.
That's right.
And I think it's just humanitarian. And the way the Ministry of External Affairs and everybody is handled this is really commendable. And I think not only we are saying it, everybody who's in Djibouti, the Djiboutians, the other expatriates, I mean, they really are marveling at the crisis management and the preparedness that Indian government has for.
Meanwhile, Foreign Minister Sushma Swaraj tweeted saying the evacuation operation from Yemen is over. General VK Singh is returning tonight. We are closing our embassy there.